Hi friends, it is Mrs. Ross, and usually I'm with Miss Hassan, but she is not here today. So today we are going to be in our small group. So we are at number 8, our small group. And we are going to do something that Miss Hassan showed us. She showed us a science experiment. A science experiment. And we talked about what is a science experiment. And one of our friends said it's when we figure out what we don't know. So when we figure out what we don't know. So here is what I don't know. Listen to my question. Listen and watch. What will happen when we take, what color is this? Blue. What will happen when we take blue paint? So I'm going to write my word blue. Blue paint. Blue paint. And I'm going to show you what color it is. Blue. What will happen when we take blue paint? And what color is this? It kind of looks a little bit red. Red paint. Let's write it on our board. I'm going to grab my red marker. Blue and red are red. So we don't know what it's going to make. We're going to mix them up. So what will happen when we mix blue paint with red paint? Let's take a second and think. We're going to make our predictions. Mrs. Roth asked me, what do I think will happen when she mixes blue paint with red paint? Okay, I know what blue paint looks like, and I know what red paint looks like. So I have an idea. I'm going to raise my hand, because that's what I do on my Zoom school. And I'm going to say, I think it makes that. Okay, go ahead and tell us what you think is going to happen. What will it make when we mix red paint and blue paint? Oh, I hear your predictions. I hear you telling your family and your screen. We had some predictions earlier. I'll show you what we thought. One friend said it might make purple. One friend said it might make pink. And we had some friends say it might stay blue. And then here is who voted for it. So 3 friends thought purple, 2 friends thought pink, and 2 friends thought blue. Kiss your brain for making your predictions. We hear your predictions. Okay, let's do our experiment. If you have it at home, you can also do it, or watch our experiment on the screen. I'm going to show you my plate. All right, I'm going to take my, what color? Blue paint. There's my blue. And I'm going to take my, what color? Red paint. Good. Here's my red. They're on my plate. And now we need to add them together. We need to mix them. So I'm going to take a paintbrush that has no paint on it, a paintbrush, and mix them together. Keep your prediction in your brain. Lock it in there. Here we go. Oh, man. What color is it making? I hear you yelling some things out. Let's see if we can get a little more light on it. What happened in our experiment? Tell your family or tell your screen what happened in our experiment. It kind of made like a muddy color. It didn't really make any like a blue or pink. When we did it in our classroom, it made blue and red together let's see if I can find our paper that we had our votes on. Oh, there it is. It did make purple, but this time it's kind of made more of a brown, so it's different. Now, since we've already done it with our paint, you are going to do it yourself at home. So I'll show you what you need. Okay, you will need some paper and some crayons. Some paper and some crayons. And we can mix those same colors together. So we'll start with what color? Blue and red. Blue and red. So let's start with our blue on our paper. Here's my blue. I'm going to make scribbles. I could also make circles on my paper. Circles. All right, there's my blue. Now I need to mix in my red, and let's see what happens. You should be doing this on your paper also. It kind of it mixed in a little bit. And it's kind of like a blue and a red tornado. So you are going to pick two colors. I picked blue and red, and you're going to try to mix them on your paper. You could also do black and green or black and red, and you're mixing your colors. I am so excited to see your science experiments and hear your predictions. All right, goodbye. We'll see you on Monday.